In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Quick View in WooCommerce. Many of you have been asking about this, possibly because you want to improve your website's performance or perhaps simplify the shopping experience for your customers. Whatever the reason, I'm here to make the process as smooth as possible. Let's jump right in and get started. First, if you have a Quick View feature on your WooCommerce site, it's likely due to a plugin that you've installed. This could be something like the WooCommerce Quick View plugin, which is quite popular for its ability to allow customers to quickly preview product details without leaving the product listing page. While this is a handy feature, there might be cases where you want to disable it temporarily or permanently. The first step in this process is to go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard page, we need to navigate to the Plugins section. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the sidebar menu. Look for Plugins, and when you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Installed Plugins. This page will display a list of all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site. Now, we need to locate the Quick View plugin from this list. It could be under any name, but typically, if you're using a specific plugin like WooCommerce Quick View, you should see it listed as such. If your list is quite long, a little trick is to use the search function on the top right corner of the page by entering part of the plugin's name, which can significantly speed up the process of finding it. Once you've identified the Quick View plugin, you have two options to proceed. If you're unsure about permanently removing it, but still want to see how your site functions without it, you can click Deactivate. Deactivating will disable the plugin's features without removing it from your system entirely, allowing you to easily reactivate it later if needed. However, if you've decided that the Quick View functionality is not for you and you'd like to remove it completely, you can go ahead and click Delete. After clicking Delete, WordPress will ask for confirmation just to ensure you genuinely want to remove the plugin. Accept the prompt, and the plugin will be removed from your list. And there you have it. By either deactivating or deleting the Quick View plugin from your WooCommerce setup, you can achieve a cleaner user experience or a potentially faster loading time for your website. If you ever change your mind, you can always reinstall or reactivate the plugin. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Have a great day.